welcome to another video by George's Shed. Right, today we're going to paint the front of my RC plane. Let's get started. Right, okay, so as you can see I've made a new nose for my aeroplane and I've also varnished it, is why it's really shiny, which makes the foam board a lot stronger. So now I'm just going to paint it using some spray paint. This stuff's really cheap, you can get it a pound from various shops. Right, so let's go. Right, okay, so let's leave that to dry. Okay, so the paint's now dried, so now I'm going to stick some decals on it. So Radioactive Airlines, and then I've got some other ones I might put around. So I'm just going to get started gluing them on. Okay, so now I'm just going to put one of these on the top. Just going to put another one on the bottom. Okay, so now I've just got to put the windscreen on. Yeah, so now I've just got to do the side ones. Thanks for watching another video by George's Shed. See you next time.